Hey, this is Dan from Turn 4 Automotive. I'm the new face here, and here today I'm going to be showing you the RZ42 graphic and blue orange helmet. It's got a Kevlar shell. This is a 2015 SA rated helmet with a fully removable and machine washable interior. See our RZ42 review by clicking the link in the description below. And today I'm going to be showing you how to change the shield. Today I'm going to be putting on this clear shield instead of this silver tinted mirror shield. It's really simple. First you take these two bolts right here, just unscrew them. Then you're going to flip to the other side here, do the same exact thing. Comes right off like so. After you take this nut out here, this little washer will fall out. Make sure you put it on there. Put your shield on. Take your screw. Screw it on like so. Do the other side. Take your plastic washer, put it on first. Put the shield up to it. Hand crank it on there. Then you take these two smaller ones, make sure they don't fall apart. Do the same thing, hand crank it on there. And that's how you replace a shield. Thank you again, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, follow us below, and see you tomorrow.